What is up, Meow Squad? It is another video we're going to be uploading today, and today we actually have the Dragon Majesty Premium Collection box that was sent to us from. It was a partnership between Cool Stuff Inc. as well as Fed USA Gaming. So it was pretty cool. So big shout out to those guys. Thank you. I appreciate this. Really awesome. And hope we get something good out of here. So let's get some crack into this. See what we get. So we get the Dragon Majesty playmat. Got Dramp and Zekrom yelling at us right there. We get the Dragon's Linen Now book. From the actual Dragon Majesty set. I do believe this is the same exact book you get in the Dragon Majesty Elite Trainer box. Maybe not. No, especially not the same one. Sorry, I missed this falling over. We get a Salamence box. Our cards. Get a Dragonite box for our cards. And then we also get a Reshiram box for our cards. So 3 of those. And I actually now have a storage spot for all of my other boxes. So I'm pretty excited about that. I can put my tins in here, my boxes, my tins. Pretty stoked about that. Let's get into what we're really here for. So we get these are actually going to be sleeved real quick. This is a trick, because how the hell do you get these out of here? Oh, okay. We have the Kingdra Rainbow Rare. Then we also have my personal favorite Rainbow Rare. This is the Dragonite Rainbow Rare. Gonna be using some of the team-up sleeves that we got from our Elite Trainer box, which we didn't pull anything, which was on Instagram. Take a second here. There we go, in the team-up sleeves. Put those right over here in front of the box. That is really bright. And then we have 2. Oh wait, before we get to the booster packs, we gotta remember the Dragonite. The good old-fashioned Dragonite little fixture, the little collection figure we got. Pretty crazy. We have, looks like a stack of dividers. I didn't know these came in there. I'm assuming they're like Reshiram's, Salamence, yeah, and for the Dragonite boxes, which is pretty cool. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go, 7, 8, 9, 10 packs of Dragon Majesty. And then here is the Elite Trainer box, or not the Super Premium Collection box code card that we have. All right, and that seems to be everything for the collection box. Now, all that trash can go away. And we are going to jump in. Position this so we can see. There we go. Jump right on into the opening. We have Lightning Energy, Croconaw, Milotic, Heatmore, Dratini, Salandit, Wooper, Jangamo-O, Horsey, Reverse Torchic right off the bat, Altaria GX. Sweet. That's pretty sweet. So far, we're 1 for 1. You guys always know that before we end this video, make sure you give this video a like. Subscribe to the channel because we're going to be posting some insane stuff. And a new thing that I'm doing for my followers on Instagram is that everything that I pull actually here in the videos is going to go for auction on my Instagram. So a lot of people have been liking it, so I guess I'm going to keep doing those on Instagram. See what we got here. Grass Energy, Flygon, Salazzle, Switchrat, Phoebus, Corsola, Jangamo-O, Totodile, Dratini, Reverse Blaziken, and then Altaria. So, nothing there. Alrighty. Got Charmander. I would at least like to see one full art out of this set. Water Energy, Switchrat, Dragonair, Fion, Charmander, Bagon, Swablu, Torchic, Vibrava, Reverse Jangamo-O, and we have another Charizard, or Dragon Majesty, which I actually do believe that that is my 5th one. Nice little Charizard pull right there. I still think those Charizards go for like $5 a piece. This is crazy how much cards go for nowadays. Alright. Four from the back. We have Psychic Energy, Quagsire, Zygarde, Zinnia, Magikarp, Swablu, Charmander, Bagon, Wishiwashi, a Lance Prism Star, and a Blaziken holographic card. Not too shabby. These pulls are actually pretty good at night. There's what, 3 or 4 packs? Yeah, there's 4 packs. Next up, we have our Dragonite pack. We need at least one full art. Fighting Energy, Duratagon, Darmanitan, Seadra, Corsola, Darumaka, Phoebus, Hakamo-O, Wishiwashi, Reverse Corsola, and a Blaine's Last Stand. It has actually been like so long since I've opened up Dragon Majesty. I've tried to find stuff at Walmart. Nobody seems to carry the Dragon Majesty anymore, so I'm kind of kicking myself for opening up this box, but this is actually one of my favorite sets. Burning Shadows and Dragon Majesty are my favorite sets. I'm a big fan of the Smart sets. Like Celestial Storm, not a big fan of. I don't know, if you guys, tell me what your guys' favorite set is in the comment section below, because I'm really curious as to see like what I need to open up for you guys. Shelgon, Fion, Fiery Flint, I pulled that Secret Air before. Whooper, Jangamo-O, Horsey, Dratini, Totodile, Reverse Wishy-Washy, and a double Blaziken. This is the set you pull the most doubles in, just because there's like 60 or 70 cards, something like that. Like 68 to 75 cards is what I'm going with. Still waiting on the full art. What am I doing? I'm pulling from the back now? Steel Energy, Heatmore, Quagsire, Well Volcano Park, Bagon, Totodile, Dratini, a Horsey, Jangamo, Reverse Energy, and that is 2 Charizards in one box. That is crazy. And a lot of people actually like these energy cards, so I'm gonna go ahead and sleeve this up. I don't know if you're guaranteed a floor in this one. There's some really good pulls in this video. So far, anyway. Get up there, energy card. You don't fall down on me. We're down to our final 3 packs. Let's get some texture up in the house. Energy, Heatmore, Wella Volcano Park, Switch Raft, Swablu, Torchic, Brava, Dratini, Salandit, Reverse Horsey, and another Blaine's Last Stand. So I think we did already get one ultra rare pull out of here, which was the Altaria GX. They had the 2 promos and the Charizards. You know, I'm not really going to complain about this box because obviously 2 great companies sent this to me. It was Cool Trainers Inc. or Cool Trainers Inc. Jesus. It was Cool Stuff Inc. and Fed USA Gaming partnered together to send this box to me to open up for you guys. So if you guys want, honestly, I've looked at the prices. They're not that bad. They're actually pretty cheap. So if you guys wanted to, head over to Fed USA Gaming or go to Cool Stuff Inc. and just check out what they got in stock. I think I actually saw one of these for like 45 bucks there. So you guys could potentially get a really good deal for these. But yeah, we got 2 packs left. Let's see what we can get in these. We're looking for some texture. Looking for some texture. It'd be cool if we had another gold card. We already pulled 1 gold card out of Dragon Majesty. Can we do 2? Seadra, Darmanitan, Switch Raft, Dratini, Swablu, Vibrava, Wishy-Washy, Salandit, another Lance Prism Star, and a Kyurem. Nothing too crazy in today's video. I just knocked my tabs over. That's okay. It's totally okay. Totally fine. We're all fine. Don't worry about it. All right. Have 4 from the back. Come on with some texture, or even another GX pull. Dark Energy, Combuskin, Salazzle, Quagsire, Phoebus, Hakamo-O, Wishy-Washy, a Charmander, Bagon, Reverse Turtonator, and a Como-O. So, not the best pulls, but we did get a lot of decent stuff. Go ahead and run a recap real quick for you guys, just so you guys can remember what we got. Once I get this sleeve back in here. We got a very nice Reverse Energy. Not 1, but 2 holographic Charizards. The Altaria GX, Dragonite GX promo, and the Kingdra GX Rainbow promo. So, Not too bad. Pretty decent video after all. What's this? I just have a random Farfetch laying around. Japanese Farfetch anyway. So yeah. Oh, and if you guys probably didn't see this. So I was opening Evolutions like I think like a couple weeks ago, a month ago, something like that. I actually pulled this very beautiful card right here. Very nice card. I just wanted to show that off to you guys because I thought it was a really good card. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. Make sure you guys go like this video, subscribe to the channel, always subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell to stay up to date when I post new videos to this channel. I try to do one every single week, but it kind of doesn't play out that way with work and everything. Just being, you know, we're honest here with each other. Why not, right? But alright guys, so that was it for the Dragon Majesty Super Premium Collection box. And let's just give you guys some codes real quick. 3 codes for you. Here is the first one. Here is the second one. And here is the third one. And that is upside down. You guys can stop the video here. Make sure you get these code cards claimed before anybody else does, because you could get something good. Make sure, if you guys do claim these and you get something good, post it in the comments. I'd like to know what you guys got. I tell you guys in every video. But yeah. Alright guys, if you don't already, go subscribe to my Instagram channel. Go follow me on Instagram at Majestic_Meowth_official. We stay up to date with things on the channel. It's going to be happening. We got giveaways, we got raffles, we got auctions, we got all kinds of stuff. Only strictly Pokemon related. So yeah, it's going to be it's a really fun time. We got a group of people that I can stay connected with over there. So we're all really good friends. So you guys want to do that? Go give me a follow. Yeah. Subscribe to the channel. Give this video a like. And stay awesome, stay positive, and we will see you guys in the next video.